Yes, actually, but I'm getting better each time.
And what would you say to anyone who hasn't been to a chiropractor before? Anything you'd say about them, that things that maybe they should know about chiropractic, or any advice for them?
It's not as scary as it is. I came because I have severe backache. I couldn't walk, so I thought try chiropractic, see whether it will help. It just started all of a sudden, so it was just a numb pain at the back, and then it just became severe until I can't walk. Yeah, so.
Is there anything else that's preventing you doing as well? I think it was making it difficult to do.
I couldn't walk, so basically I can't do my daily chores. Then I even have difficulty getting off the bed.
And how are things now?
Okay, now it's so much better. I can walk, and then I feel very much more relaxed. Can feel that the back is loosened. Actually, previously I tried TCM, but it's a on and off thing. Just the pain just keep coming back. So I thought I'll try something else, like chiropractic this time. Yeah, so after a few times, you feel relaxed, and then you feel much better.